A few days ago when we were boondocking in Patagonia, I went to take a shower and the water pressure was just like really weak. It almost sounded and felt like we were running out of water. There was like some air getting into the system. And like just the pump sounded funny. And so we let it sit for a couple days thinking like, I don't know what we thought, but it didn't get any better, and so I decided to go down and take a look at the pump to see if I could find the issue. But I saw that like our screen to the pump cracked. So I guess on the RV pumps or on basically any water pump, there's a little screen to try and catch any debris from going into the pump and damaging it. And so ours is like this little plastic housing, and you can see in here there's a screen, and there's like actually some gunk stuck in there. So I guess it just does its job, but this plastic cracked, and a little bit of water was getting, or a little bit of air was getting sucked into the pump whenever it was running, just a little bit. And so I guess we have to go to Lowe's or Camping World or something and try and find a solution. I suspect that this will probably be pretty easy to find, but you never know. So the screen goes right on this side of the water pump. This is the water intake side. And then the hose goes right here. And then this hose leads right back and takes out of the tank. And so yeah, we just got to go find a new one of these. So hopefully it should be easy. This check valve right here, this is one of our fixes that we had to do when we accidentally froze the entire RV when we didn't winterize it and got stuck in Indiana in sub-zero temperatures. So if you're interested in how we did this, you can go check out one of our old videos. Warning though, it was an early video and it's probably not the greatest. If we wanted to, I could probably screw this, the hose directly to the pump, but if we can find a new screen, I'd prefer to do that.
If you follow us on Instagram and you've seen our Insta stories, you probably already know that our Instapot, or our little like off-brand Cook Essentials Instapot, busted. It totally does not work anymore. It's completely, yeah, it just won't even turn on. It's the strangest thing. We couldn't figure out how to fix it, so sadly we're gonna say goodbye to that pot today and toss it in the dumpster. I'm sad about it, but I think we're gonna give an actual Instapot a try next time, so I'll let you know how that goes.
So Lowe's was no help, so now we're gonna go try some random RV parts store here in Tucson. Sometimes it's hit or miss when you're dealing with RV parts and going to like a standard hardware store like Lowe's or home improvement store. Sometimes they have the things you need, sometimes they don't. This was one of the times that they do not have what we need. So the RV shop did not have the part we needed. They could have ordered it, but today's Monday. They could have had it on Thursday, but we are leaving Tucson tomorrow. So I am just going to Band-Aid fix the situation by bypassing the screen altogether. And then eventually I'm sure we'll get the right part and I'll just put it back in. Alright, so the water pump is working just fine. Having just bypassed that screen and just plugging the line directly into the water pump. It's working fine. It's actually, I think, working better than it ever has. Our pump used to be really, really loud when you would run it, and I don't know. Without the screen, it seems much quieter. So the whole point of the screen is to keep large debris out of your filter to prevent it from hurting itself or whatever, like rocks and things. But I mean, I don't think that's really a huge worry. So we'll probably just leave it as is and see if anything happens. So, but we'll keep you guys posted and we'll let you know if anything bad happens.